ICCT stock analysis and ICCT stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play, how I'm going to trade this and everything, because I am the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos, has proof of everything, and this stuff has taken me 5 years. To not be even like making this video any longer, after I got the first break, I was like, if there is a second break, I'm buying. Guess what? The second break never came and I abandoned the ticker. And then we had a crazy big pump up lately, like right now, today. So how is all this going to look like? Honestly, pumps and dumps like this are going to not be like something new with ICCT. It's been going like this for quite some time. I mean, unironically, I'm still looking for longs as long as there is the confirmation here, right? Because this is a demand zone fundamentally, and fundamentally, if the rules are met, there's nothing stopping me from buying. Just being perfectly upfront and honest. But I don't doubt that it might not happen. I mean, that's why I'm just waiting for confirmation. And if it doesn't happen, the confirmations are not met, I'm not moving forward, or I'm just simply not buying. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with eye indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.